Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best vacuums for allergies that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 10 Best Vacuums for Allergies. Allergies can affect people of all ages throughout the year. Luckily, most household allergens, pollen, dust, and pet dander can be lessened or eliminated with regular cleaning and the right tools. When it comes to finding the right vacuum for cleaning, you'll want to look for a HEPA vacuum or a model with a HEPA bag or filter that will trap even the smallest particles. Number 10. ProTeam Backpack Vacuum Super CoachVac Commercial Backpack Vacuum Cleaner. High filtration unit is ideal for vacuuming high square footage areas that require the utmost cleanliness, including universities, campuses and meeting halls. Main features: large capacity, quiet operation, improved air quality. Number 9. Miele Compact C1 Pure Suction Powerline Canister Vacuum is a powerful vacuum in a space-saving design. The SBD285 3-rug and floor combination nozzle. It is designed to clean all your low-pile carpeting. Main features: filter bag volume 3.5 liters, air clean sealed system, diameter 17 inches. Number 8. Miele Complete C3 Cat and Dog Canister HEPA Canister Vacuum Cleaner. A perfect synergy of design and functionality, Miele's C3 series sets new standards in floor care. Superior engineering is balanced. Main features: air clean sealed system construction, lightweight design, Miele SEB 228 powerhead. Number 7. Kenmore Elite 31150 pet-friendly bagged upright beltless vacuum. Flexible hose, lightweight aluminum wand length and to reach 10, crevice tool and second bare floor tool for convenient cleaning transitions. Main features: 3 attachments, extended reach, pet handmate, triple HEPA filter system. Number 6. Bissell Cleanview Deluxe Corded Handheld Vacuum 47R51. It is ideal for use on upholstery, stairs, and other hard-to-reach areas. Includes specialized attachments to tackle all kinds of messes. Main features: flexible rubber nozzle, specialty cleaning attachments, dirt cup capacity 0.78 liters. Number 5. Robot Vacuum Cleaner and Dock 1500 PA Suction with Scheduling Activation. Pure Clean Robotic Cleaners Series Programmable Scheduler Self-Activation automatically runs back at a scheduled time while you're away. Main features: automatic recharge dock, dual rotating brushes, low mini profile. Number 4. Kenmore Elite 81714 Pet-Friendly Ultra Plush Lightweight Bagged Canister Vacuum. Designed to clean all areas and surfaces of your entire home, den, kitchen, car or garage quickly and efficiently with multiple attachment tools. Main features: HEPA filter system, ultra plush nozzle, lightweight design. Number 3. Dyson 21473201 V8 Absolute Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. 150% more brush bar power than the Dyson V6 cord-free vacuum. 2 cleaner heads. Cord-free. Main feature: filtration washable lifetime filter. Lightweight and versatile. Direct drive cleaner head. Number 2. Shark Rotator Powered Lift-Away TruePet Upright Vacuum. The canister detaches to deep clean hard-to-reach areas while still delivering power to keep the brush roll spinning. Main features: anti-allergen complete seal technology, XL capacity with full-size performance, fingertip controls. Number 1. Shark Navigator Upright Vacuum for Carpet and Hard Floor. This vacuum is also equipped with swivel steering for excellent control when maneuvering around furniture and completely sealed system. Main features: powerful and lightweight, anti-allergen complete seal technology, portable and versatile at 12.5 pounds. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.